Hello and welcome to Circuit Simulation On-Ramp. This course will introduce you to simulating analog circuits using Simscape. Simulation helps you both understand and design circuits. For example, you can use simulation to understand the contribution of various circuit components to the overall system response. Or you can use it to validate a design against specified goals. With Simscape and Simscape Electrical, you can simulate a wide range of circuits with realistic effects, like operating limits and noise. Throughout this course, you will build many circuits that you've likely seen before: bridge rectifiers, inverting amplifiers, and low-pass filters. You'll start by building RC and RLC circuits and observe their response to both DC and AC inputs. Then you'll incorporate nonlinear components and op-amps to make more advanced circuits. You'll also learn how to measure and understand the frequency response of filter circuits and use them to remove noise from a signal. At the end of the course, you will build an oscillator circuit that generates a sinusoidal output. You don't need to learn a lot of theory to start simulating electrical circuits, but you'll get the most out of this course if you're familiar with the types of circuits mentioned in this video. It will also help if you know a bit about Simulink and Simscape. You should be comfortable with adding and connecting blocks, branching signals, and modifying block parameters, as well as how Simulink and Simscape interact. If you've never used these products before, or you want to refresh these skills, we recommend you first take Simulink On-Ramp and Simscape On-Ramp to get you up to speed quickly. Throughout the course, you'll be completing tasks in the Simulink editor. It's the same Simulink you'll encounter outside this training, but with a few added features. Tasks will appear on the left and feedback on the right. If the assessment involves a block value, it will be displayed in the feedback area as well. Enjoy the course!